So you've each won $500 and the Texas Instruments drafting calculator, and now you have a chance for another $500, and then that will give you a chance at the $2,000 bonus prize, and a chance to give Joanne's math teacher some more money. But here it is, the square is all set. Okay, here is the square root question. 200 people line up to board a 200-seat plane. The first passenger in the line lost her boarding pass, but is allowed in anyway. So she takes a random seat because she doesn't remember her seat number. Each subsequent passenger either takes, yes, Anton?
B.
B 1 over 200? That's incorrect. But you still have time to think, Anton, don't panic. So let's see, she takes a random seat, and then each subsequent passenger either takes his or her assigned seat if it's open, or chooses an open seat at random. What is the probability that the last passenger to board the plane finds his or her seat unoccupied? Is that probability 0? We'll say 1 over 200, but you might not guess it now, Rileigh. 1 over 100, 1 over 50, or 1 over 2, a half? All right, Rileigh, what do you think? You think A, 0?
Incorrect.
Incorrect. So you both can signal in, and I think you have as much time as you need now. And so it's not A or B. All right, Anton? E 1/2? That turns out to be right. It's hard to believe. That's going Anton. So Rileigh said that she was torn between A and E, and she wound up picking A, and it turned out to be E. And that is hard. When the kiosk, Anton, did you have any insight to give you a half, or what made you think it's a half?
Well, it's probably like a set problem, which is, I assume it was kind of a set problem, which means like some sort of weird paradoxical math thing. So it probably wouldn't be any obvious answer, which would be B through D. And Rileigh already picked A, so it's like E was left.
There you go. Right. In fact, this came from weird paradoxical math airlines, which runs out of Chicago around the weekends. And then actually, it is, maybe you can try this on the school bus. We got assigned seats and see how it works on the way home. But key observation is that when that last person gets on, and it might be hard to come up with this key observation in a minute or however long we have, that the only possible seats open are that person's seat and the first passenger seat, because people would have taken their own seat.
Oh, right.
There you go. And so, and you know how Southwest has unusual boarding principles and other, so that's how the math works things. And so it is just money here, but that doesn't prove it now, but that's a might get you along the way to prove this now. And are you ready for the bonus question now?
Yes.
Or do you need a breather or anything?
No.
Okay. We should point out that, and in fact, we've had a lot of students here who tried out for the national contest. So that's something that we do. It starts in September, and then we get the qualifying through October, and then it takes place at the joint mathematics meetings in January. And we had some very good scores from people in the Chicago area. And I think someone from Chicago's not here today, but someone did qualify. So that's the URL for it. All right, and so that gave you a little bit of a breather you didn't need. All right, so this now you've already won $1,000 that time. You can quit if you want.
No, I don't.
Okay, all right. And there's only one question. We call it the 2 grand prize question because it's worth $2,000, but here we go. Which of the following is not the length of a side of a right triangle whose other 2 sides' lengths are integers? So the side can be either of the legs or the hypotenuse. Right, is it square root of 41, square root of 42, square root of 43, square root of 44, or square root of 45? So maybe once again we'll ask the audience, how many people think it's A square root of 41? Okay. How many people think it's B square root of 42? How many people think it's C square root of 43? How many people can't clap because they still have their cookies in their hands? How many people think it's E square root of 44? No clear figure. And how many people think it's E square root of 45? Still no clear figure. Right? Anton, among those which, so the audience is kind of split.
I think B.
You think B square root of 42?
Yes.
Any particular reason?
Yes, because as you can see, if the two sides are integers, that means they must have their difference must be a square number. So any differences of consecutive squares are all odd numbers, so any of the odds are ruled out. And so if you group them by 2, you'll notice that differences of squares can also be even numbers multiplied by 4, so D was ruled out. They'll only leave B.
Mm-hmm. There you go.
Yeah.
All right. And so let's see, you won $1,000, and you said you didn't want to answer this question, so you do have a chance for $2,000. So if it is B, you'll have won another $2,000 for a total of $3,000. Is it B? We'll never know. It's hard to be a good judge now.